Here in Montana, we know the dangers this time of year for snowmelt and flooding, and you may think you're prepared. But I'm going to tell you the story of one woman who lives in this building you see right there behind me, whose entire home flooded, and it may have you thinking twice. Have you ever experienced a flood before?
No, I've never experienced anything like this. Not even like a fire.
Yeah.
No, nothing. Just, you would never think it would be you.
Monday started off like any other day for Holly Trotter. She was working from home as a customs broker when the unexpected happened.
My dad had gotten out of bed because my elderly father, who is disabled, lives with me. And he looked out the window and we just seen that the side of the building had feet of water.
Holly and her father rushing outside, realizing a massive pile of snow was blocking this creek, causing water to pile up fast.
So here is where the snow was piled, about taller than I am. I'm only 5'2" though, so.
Holly and her father knew they had to act fast and immediately began shoveling a pathway for that water to flow through.
Since I work from home, I wear my pajamas. So I was in like pajama shorts and I came out in flip-flops and a sweater. So I was out here like 3 hours in like half-deep water, shoveling ice and snow.
But what Holly and her father didn't realize is that while they were shoveling snow, their home was being hit hard. By the time they got back to their apartment, about a foot of water flowing through their front door.
I was like, oh no, like we need to get the water out. And like, I have a diabetic cat and she's also like 13, 14 years old. So I'm like, save the cat, save what we can.
Holly's entire complex sits at the bottom of a hill located off Haggerty Lane in Bozeman. Because Holly's apartment is the lowest point in her complex, her unit was the only one flooded. That complex is managed by a company called DevCo, so I reached out to see if flooding has occurred in the past. A DevCo representative tells me they've only run the Haggerty units for a year, and over that time, flooding hasn't been an issue. DevCo did confirm this flood was caused by snowmelt, and they say they were able to put tenants up in a hotel Monday night and get a restoration company into the unit as quickly as possible. But now the tenants are on their own.
And then renter's insurance was supposed to kick in. And I just found out today, renter's insurance does not cover flood.
Which has left Holly feeling hopeless and confused.
We're kind of have no news. We don't know what we're doing. We don't know where we're going. We don't know anything.
Holly's boss has helped her with a temporary place to live, but restoration is expected to take a minimum of 6 weeks. And with Holly feeling left in the dark on her renter's insurance, she has this piece of advice for renters.
Ask your insurance if it does cover floods, because this is just a random thing, just like a fire. You would think it was covered. I would never think I would be in a flood in Montana either, but it happened.
In Bozeman, Cassidy Powers, MTN News.